Buckle up, car enthusiasts. It's time to tag along on a speedy ride through the world of portable labeling. Whether you're labeling cables, tools, or your workshop on the go, a great portable label printer can change the game. From pocket-friendly options to rugged, on-the-road workhorses, this countdown has a little something for everyone. Today, I'm going to be going over the best portable label printer that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 10, we have Nelco P21 Bluetooth Label Printer. This palm-sized printer pairs quickly with phones and tablets, making on-the-go labeling a breeze. It uses thermal printing to produce clean, smudge-resistant labels without ink and supports a range of common label widths for home organization, file folders, and kitchen jars. The built-in rechargeable battery lasts through dozens of labels per charge, and the compact chassis slips into a bag or laptop case with ease. Setup is straightforward via the Nelco app, which offers templates, font choices, and alignment options, plus templates for address labels, shipping, and file labels. P21's Bluetooth connectivity keeps your phone out of the USB tangle, and its AutoCut feature minimizes waste. Compatibility with standard label tapes and the ability to store multiple templates makes it versatile for personal and light office use. Paired to the Dymo Label Manager 160, which I have included as number 9 on this list, the Nelco P21 emphasizes wireless convenience and a truly mobile workflow, trading some dedicated label sizes for portability and instant print from a phone. At number 9, we have Dymo Label Manager 160. This desktop-grade label printer sticks to a simple home office workflow with sturdy one-touch keys and a comfortable keyboard-like input on the unit itself. It uses replaceable dun tapes up to about 0.375 inches wide, delivering crisp black-on-white labels for cables, folders, and shelves. Dedicated keyboard and one-touch keys help you craft a label on the fly, then print with a single press. It connects via USB to Windows or Mac, and its software options let you customize font, size, and alignment, then save templates for repeat tasks. The device is sturdy, with a practical power supply, and DN tapers are widely available. Compared to the Nelco P21 Bluetooth Label Printer, which I have included as number 10 on this list, the Dymo Label Manager 160 leans into desktop precision and tape economy rather than mobile convenience. At number 8, we have Fomimo D30 Label Printer. Fomimo D30 is a compact Bluetooth printer that works with iOS and Android phones, letting you print labels from a pocket-sized device. It uses thermal direct printing to avoid ink and supports label rolls up to about 1.5 inches wide, with typical width around 1.3 inches for quick address and shipping labels. Rechargeable battery keeps it usable away from a power outlet, while the lightweight design fits in most bags. The Fomimo app offers templates, symbols, and alignment guides, plus easy sharing for home organizing, item tracking, and craft labeling. It can also print barcodes and QR codes with simple steps. Compared to the Dymo Label Manager 160, which I have included as number 9 on this list, the Fomimo D30 prioritizes true mobile printing and flexible media options over desktop-only workflows. At number 7, we have Neon Shipping Label Printer. This device is built for quick shipping tasks, combining thermal direct printing with a 4x6-inch label capability. It typically connects via USB or Wi-Fi and supports barcode printing with the right driver. Spool-based feeding ensures smooth operation with minimal jams, while the thermal head reduces maintenance compared to ink. The user interface is straightforward, and many printers ship with preloaded drivers to work with popular e-commerce platforms. It handles high-volume labeling at a small footprint, making it ideal for home-based sellers or small businesses. Compared to the Fomimo D30 label printer, which I have included as number 8 on this list, the Neon Shipping Label Printer emphasizes larger format shipping labels, network options, and industrial-grade reliability in a compact body. At number 6, we have Brother P-Touch PTN20 Label Maker. The PTN20 is a compact handheld label maker designed for quick label creation anywhere. It uses laminated TZ tapes, which resist water, oil, and abrasion, making it ideal for cables, equipment, and storage bins. The simple keyboard layout, a small backlit display, and built-in memory for frequently used labels, you can craft labels in seconds. It can be powered by AC or batteries, depending on model, and accepts a range of font styles and sizes. Unit is rugged, compact, and quiet, so it earns a place on tool carts and desks. Compared to the Brady M1210 portable label printer, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the PTN20 focuses on portable label creation with flexible lighting and TZ tape compatibility rather than heavy-duty laminated label diversity. At number 5, we have Brother P-Touch PT-120 Label Maker. PT-120 offers a larger keyboard and color-coded tape options. It prints on TZ tapes of various widths, supports 14 fonts, dozens of styles, and a variety of frames. It can store up to 9 label designs and accepts batteries or AC adapter. It also supports USB connection to a computer for even more templates. The device is a workhorse for home offices and small businesses that want quick labeling with professional results. Compared to Etake's PM290C sticker printer, which I included as number 4 on this list, the PT-120's strength is a bigger display and more fonts at the expense of portability. At number 4, we have Etake's PM290C sticker printer. This mid-size sticker printer emphasizes quick mobile printing with Bluetooth from a phone or tablet. It handles heat transfer or direct thermal labels up to around 2.25 inches wide, enabling small product labels, price tags, and name badges. The PM290C supports cloud templates and app-based design, plus pre-sized layouts for shipping, inventory, and crafts. The battery life is adequate for field tasks, and the device uses an adhesive-backed matte finish label stock that resists smudges. It integrates with common inventory apps and e-commerce tools via Bluetooth or USB. Compared to the Neon Bluetooth thermal shipping label printer, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the PM290C offers broader media styles and mobile editing through the companion app. At number 3, we have Neon Bluetooth thermal shipping label printer. This compact portable printer is designed for printing 4x6 shipping labels from a phone, tablet, or laptop with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It relies on thermal direct printing, eliminating ink, and works with a variety of label roll sizes and weights to accommodate everyday shipping tasks. Quick Connect app helps you design addresses, barcodes, and logos, then save templates for future orders. It offers fast print speed, a clear display for setup, and a robust power management system for all-day use. The device is typically lightweight and quiet, making it suitable for home offices, warehouses, or POS back rooms, paired to the Etake's PM160 label maker, which I included as number 2 on this list. The Neon prints longer shipping labels with wider media and network capabilities, while the Etake's PM160 focuses more on small labels and desk labeling with Bluetooth. At number 2, we have Etake's PM160 label maker. Sleek pocket-friendly device prints on narrow 12 or 18 label tape, designed for organization around the home or office. It runs from a rechargeable battery and pairs via Bluetooth to a mobile app that lets you pick fonts, sizes, and templates. PM160 is ideal for file folders, jars, and cable tags with a compact form factor that travels in a bag. It supports a variety of label tapes and is straightforward to use with a simple one-button print flow that reduces clutter. It offers AutoCut, memory for common labels, and cloud templates. Compared to the Brady M1210 portable label printer, which I included as number 1 on this list, the PM160 shines in portability and battery efficiency, while the Brady M1210 delivers broader media support and a more industrial-grade build. At number 1, we have Brady M1210 portable label printer. Brady M1210 is a pro-grade portable printer designed for field labeling across electrical panels, lab benches, and asset management. It uses laminated Brady labels, offering long-lasting durability and resistance to water, chemicals, and abrasion. Unit pairs with a full desktop app and mobile companion for template-driven labels, multi-line formats, and wide range of font choices, symbols, and barcodes. It supports USB and optional battery packs, making it a flexible tool for technicians and installers. The M1210's rugged chassis, clear display, and fast print speed help reduce downtime on the job, paired to the Etake's PM160 label maker, which I have included as number 2 on this list. The Brady M1210 emphasizes industrial-grade media and rugged reliability at the cost of slightly higher price and bulk.